guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to enable direct messages on Instagram. To enable direct messages DMs on Instagram, you do not need to enable them separately. They are default feature of the platform. However, if you've disabled DMs or experiencing issue with them, then here's how to ensure they're enabled and troubleshoot any problems. First is launch your Instagram app. After that, on the bottom right corner there's your profile icon. Select that. When you reach your profile, on the top right corner there's a 3-line icon. Tap on that and scroll a bit down, and over here we could see messages and story replies under how others can interact with you. Tap on the messages and story replies, and after that on the top we could see the message controls. Select that. Over here what you have to do is tap on your followers on Instagram under the potential connections and tap on the do not receive request and tap on the update settings. Go back, and this is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notifications icon for more upcoming uploads.